Hello friends! Well, if you follow me, you all know how much I love to do research. So when I find something new, I can't wait to explore it and share my findings with you. It pains me when I hear so many women having problems with vaginal dryness. So I came across an intriguing article about a new vaginal suppository called Intra-Rosa. Intra-Rosa is a vaginal suppository made from progesterone. Now this is a synthetic form of DHEA. DHEA is a natural bioidentical hormone that your body produces naturally throughout your adult years, but it declines after the age of 45. So often a woman will need some hormone supplementation for vaginal dryness. For women who do not like estrogen, DHEA can help. So this sounds appealing. This drug, Intra-Rosa, is converted in your body into androgens and estrogens to address vaginal dryness. The ads say that this product is only intended for women who are post-menopause, which I found strange because even younger women experience vaginal dryness. So why the warning? Well, I think it was because of the side effects. The older you are, the shorter time you have to experience side effects. The most common side effects were vaginal discharge and changes in your pap smear. So I say, what? For vaginal dryness, this is going from one extreme to another. From dryness to discharge? And pap smear changes? What does that mean? The company does not explain. The recommended dose is one suppository at bedtime for 12 weeks. So you have to use it for 12 weeks to see improvement. Well, listen to this. The cost for 28 suppositories is $219. So if you use this synthetic drug for the 12-week recommended time frame, it will cost $657. Shocking! How did this come about? Well, I know. Of course it came to the attention of the pharmaceutical companies that DHEA was beneficial to vaginal tissue. And it is. It restores moisture, elasticity, tone, and collagen. But they needed to patent a drug. So you end up with Intra-Rosa. There is another choice, ladies, a fantastic, bioidentical, natural DHEA suppository that does not have these negative side effects. One pack contains 15 suppositories, and I'll show you what it looks like. This is one pack. There's 15 in here. It's $25. You use one per day in just 2 weeks. Some women experienced a return to normal vaginal tone and moisture. Some needed 2 packs. If you use 2 packs, that's only $50, not $657. And it is bioidentical, not synthetic. You all know the difference by now. Drug, natural. Okay, ladies, let's shop natural. Healing with no nasty or unexplained side effects. I do have these available for you if you are interested. They are made by a wonderful doctor who cares about women like you, as do I. Also, I have a big vaginal dryness written handout that I can send you, and over 200 other written handouts on women's health. So if you have a specific issue, email me. I will answer. Remember, let's shop natural. No side effects for us. Love you.